cute. Look at this. I look like a little parrot kitten. Yeah boy, girl. I say yeah boy a lot. Yeah boy. I like it. I like the expression. I wish I could have something like yeah girl. Yeah. Or maybe yeah boy. Boy. Yeah boy. Yeah girl. 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 Yeah girl. In Swedish we have it's a letter called like Earl Grey, like the tea or the name Earl. What's that series? There's a series on TV called like one of the main characters is called Earl. Okay. I need to get some sun, I realized. I have the hair of like what's the pet detective called? Like pet detective with the Jim Carrey, you know, pet detective. He's called. Let's think about it. Next movie. Okay, bye bye. Blessings to world.